Touchdown.
I got a touchdown.
Just what I thought. Just what I thought. Touchdown. So wait up, bitch boy. Wait up.
There we go, baby boy. Let's see what we got here. I got just over a quarter ounce. I got 9.15 grams.
0.15. I need you to make an order for half now.
Okay, so I got an order for a half gram now. So I'm gonna have a half gram here. Just see like this. So it gets smashed down. There you go. There's 1 gram. Now, if I'm down south.
Down south, well, a nigga doesn't have a mouth, right?
That's going to cost me just about $50. I'm going to have to bet you $150 off that gram. That means $100 profit in the pot.